Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to teach you chapter number 5, that is complex numbers and quadratic equation. So let's begin. So exercise 5.1, express in a plus ib form. So this is the question, 5i into minus 3i divided by 5. I need to make this in a plus ib form. So what I am going to do here is 5 and 5 get cancelled. Minus 3 I have written here, I into I is the I square. So in complex number, I square value is minus 1. Okay, minus into minus is plus, 3 ones are 3. So 3 is not in this form. So to write in this form, I have to write 3 plus I into 0. So A value is 3 and B value is 0. So 3 is a real number and 0 is a imaginary number. So question number 2 now. So I raised to 9 plus I raised to 19 is equal to, I am going to take common here. Okay, so I raised to 9 is common. So 1 plus, what is remaining here? I raised to 10. I raised to 10 can be written as I square into 5 because 2 5s are 10. What is I square again? It is minus 1. So minus 1 raised to 5 is nothing but an odd number itself. So plus 1 minus 1 will become 0 because 0 into anything is 0. Now again I should write in this form, that is 0 plus I into 0 is a plus ib form. Okay, let us move on to the third question. So it is I raised to minus 39. So this can be written as I square into minus 19. It will become I raised to minus 38. One more is remaining. So I have written I raised to minus 1 here. Now what is the value of I square? I square is a minus 1. Minus 1 raised to minus 19. I raised to minus 1 can be written as 1 divided by I. Now minus 1 raised to odd number is again an odd number. That is minus 1. Fine. Divided by I. Now rationalizing the denominator part. What is there in denominator part? It is I. So I will multiply and divide by I. So I into minus 1 is minus I into I is I square. As I have told you, I square is minus 1. So here it will become minus. Minus into minus will become plus. I divided by 1 is I. To write in this form, so I have written 0 plus I, 1 into I will become a plus ib form. Okay, moving on to the fourth sum. The fourth sum is 3 into 7 plus I into 7 plus I, 7 plus I into 7. 3 7s are 21, 3 7s are 21I plus I into 7 is 7I plus I into I is I square 7. Fine. Now these two are similar. So write 21 as it is. 21 plus 7 is 28 and I square is minus 1. So 7 into minus 1 is minus 7. 21 minus 7 is 14. So 14 plus 28I. So it is in a plus ib form. Fine. Now fifth question is 1 minus I minus of minus 1 plus I into 6. So this I have written as it is. Minus into minus is plus. Minus into plus is minus. Fine. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. 6 plus 1 is 7. Since it is a bigger number, so I have written minus 7I. Fine. The sixth question is 1 divided by 5 plus I into 2 by 5 minus 4 plus I into 5 by 2. 1 by 5 I have written here. Minus 4 I have taken one side because this is called as real part. Plus I, here also I have taken common. So 2 by 5 minus into plus will become minus 5 by 2. So this is the imaginary part. So by taking LCM, that is 5 4s are 20. 20 minus 1 is 19. Since it is a bigger number, so minus 19 by 5 real part plus 2 2s are 4 minus 5 5s are 25. 4 minus 25 is minus 21. 5 2s are 10. Fine. Now seventh question is 1 by 3 plus I into 7 by 3 plus 4 plus I into 1 by 3 minus of minus 4 by 3 plus I. All the real part I have taken one side. 1 by 3, 4 minus into minus is plus 4 by 3 plus I 7 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus into plus is minus. Here the coefficient is 1. So this I am going to take LCM and this I am going to take LCM. If I take LCM, I will get 17 by 3 here on the real part plus I. This if I take LCM, I will get 5 by 3. Fine. Now let's move on to the next question. So here eighth question is 1 minus I raised to 4. So this can be written as 1 minus I square, 1 minus I square 2 times. Now a minus b whole square formula we have, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So in place of a 1, in place of b I am going to write I. So 1 square plus I square minus 2i, and here 1 square plus I square minus 2i. So 1 square is 1, I square is minus 1, minus 2i, 1 square is 1, I square is minus 1, minus 2i. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel, minus 1 plus 1 cancel. So minus 2i is remaining here and minus 2i is remaining here. Fine. Minus into minus is plus, 2 2s are 4, I into I is I square. Again I square is minus 1. So 4 1s are 4, so it is minus 4. So this should be written in minus 4 plus I into 0, that is a plus ib form. Fine. Now ninth question is 1 by 3 plus 3i whole cube. So it is a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Now a is 1 by 3 whole cube plus b is 3i whole cube plus 3 into a is 1 by 3, b is 3i, and in the bracket 1 by 3 plus 3i. Fine. Now 3 cube is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, so 1 by 27 plus here also 27i cube plus this 3 get cancelled, so you are remained with 3i. Now here 1 by 3 plus 3i. Fine. So 1 by 27 plus 27 I cube can be written as I square into I. Fine. Plus if I multiply this inside here, this 3 is get cancelled, 3 3s are 9, I into I is I square. Okay. Now 1 by 27 as it is plus 27 as it is, I square is minus 1 into I plus here I into 1 is I square is a minus 1. Fine. Now what I have done is real part, that is 1 by 27, 9 into minus 1 is minus 9. So real part I have written here plus I, here 27 into minus 1 is minus 27 plus here coefficient is 1. So 1 minus 27 is minus 26, and if you take a LCM of this you will get minus 242 divided by 27. So this is the real part and this is the imaginary part. So let's move on to the next sum.